Hey everybody, Greg here with Rob in his corner. Welcome to another exciting episode of Last Week in Programming Memes, review, new title edition. This is the weekly format where we take a look at all the programming memes that you guys have sent us and we review them. And the cool thing about it is if you send us something and we love it, we'll pick you as meme of the week and you'll get a free t-shirt. So stick around to see who won that free t-shirt. Let's do this. Okay, you got this popular format says change my mind. I don't know who this guy is. He's saying people who complain about indentation errors in Python can't write readable code in any language. Change my mind. I don't know. I mean, in Python, the indentation is actually really important. The way it gets processed, the indentation gets read. So you got to complain about indentation errors. Whoever this guy is, God, get him out of here. It's the code's fault, not mine, by Philip Lynch Goa. Okay, my code better start doing what I want it to do instead of what I'm telling it to do. Is this guy a stand-up comedian? Is this like his job? Find another job. First of all, who's posting at 6:21 in the morning? Just go back to sleep and think up some better jokes here, Phil. Okay, here's another one. Class toppings float right. That's actually pretty good. Oh, it's such a bad thing to have happen to your pizza too. I feel like there's some structural problem with the pizza that these guys didn't work out. You know, like I'm a food expert. I don't know if you can tell by my figure, but I am a food expert. I know a lot about making food and eating it. And you screwed up here somewhere. First of all, you screwed up in the delivery process, but that's besides the point. A good pizza should be able to stand up to a bit of angular momentum. You know what I mean? I would still eat it. I would take that and sort of make a bowl out of it. Oh yeah, no, people don't understand that pizza is like one fold away from being a giant taco or burrito. War Driving, Skewel Edition, submitted by DL Mousy. Okay, Zoo 666 drop table. It could run this command and just drop the entire database. Take that, government. The human body is more complicated than a computer, submitted by Saint Inja. Doctors. Googling stuff online does not make you a doctor. And then programmers. Well, look, actually, if you Google enough stuff, you're kind of a doctor. So I feel like if you had like the right Google and the right books, you could be a doctor. You could be whatever you want to be, except for things that require like, you know, state licensing. You couldn't be a doctor for somebody else. What an asshole this doctor is trying to say you can't be a doctor if you Google stuff. What did you do? You Googled things the old school way of going to college. There's a way to say these things. I'm going to try. Just learn to type better. I'm at the acceptance stage. Alias MKAE equals make, alias MKey equals make, alias make equals make. What is wrong with your fingers where this is you can't type 4 letters in sequence. You go slow with the fingers until you can go faster. Just go slow. You can type things correctly. You don't have to do whatever this is. And look, the name of it. I actually read the name of it. I didn't realize. Just learn to type better. Yeah, exactly. Learn to type better, you dummies. Downvote. It's almost like the guy who submitted it knew I would react to it in this way, and got in front of me. What do you think people think of me, Rob?
You're becoming predictable.
A festive programming meme submitted by Plagued by Foibles. He's making a table, he's sorting it twice. Select star from contacts where behavior equals string nice. Sequel clause is coming to town. I feel like that's a sweater. It's like a sweater. I mean, I feel like you just found a sweater on Amazon and you showed me the graphic from it. I mean, I appreciate seeing it and I like to sing, so we're going to give that an upvote. Another one from DL Mousy. This is probably copyrighted, so could you do... I mean, you don't have to do it for the first part, but just only allow that to be on screen for 6 seconds, and then you got to blur it out. My code fails to compile. Me, but why? Compiler. I don't know. Sorry. I think I did... Well, I don't... Well, who knows? Still my favorite programming meme. What is this move right here? He's like levitating up with the rake. I mean, it's a pretty good. I guess it's okay. I don't like it though. Don't vote. Have you ever felt this, or it's just me? Okay, so we got a YouTube video. Not everyone should code. I totally agree, by the way. Not everybody should code out there. Like, it's a hard job. in the sense that like you have to think differently about things, and not everybody can think that way. It's funny, but the meme is like this poor cat is just like, what is wrong with the cat's face? Why is it every time we have a cat involved, they're like they have a weird face like this? How Greg migrates projects. Is this me? Is this me? Am I the Greg in this? Oh, it's the Greg. No, that's not what I look like, but that was close. Of course, my code is reusable. Control C, Control V. That's like a personal attack at this point, isn't it? This is a personal attack. This person, listen, plagued by foibles. That's a personal attack, and you know, whatever. Maybe it'll work next time. We be hopping and mispaint when the programmers have to make the graphics. Well, I take offense to this right off the bat. I'm a programmer. I make some pretty good graphics. So who made this? Rob in the corner. Screw you, Rob. You think this is what my graphics look like?
Fairly close.
He doesn't realize that a lot of bonuses in this business rely on him basically sucking up to me. So, downvote. I feel attacked. Submitted by Statinja. Oh god, you know, this is a lot of text here. This is like, can we just talk about how much text should be in a meme? Ideal meme format. 2 images, maybe 5, I don't know. 2 to 5 images, maybe just one really good one. And in terms of number of characters, not this many. Just whatever this is, too much. This is too much. Can we give this clay man a hug? Gamers when they experience lag. Okay, and you got a gentleman wearing sandals indoors, smacking that with a folding chair. And then you got programmers waiting for characters to appear on SSH as they type. This is just a problem with your terminal. Like if you're sitting there and your terminal is this slow, something's wrong. Something's broken. If you're, I mean, look at this poor guy. He's wearing like mascara. He's in a soundproof room. Went to Michigan State, and he's on a CRT monitor. I mean, you got several problems all boiled into one thing. I mean, it's bad, but look, I feel like there's this line of like, it's funny because it happens to people, and it's like, dude, you can fix that. Like, this is not a real problem. You can fix it. Downvote. That's not meme of the week quality. I feel so bad. I feel so bad. Somebody had said to us, like, why are you downvoting the posts when you laugh at them? Just so you guys know, if we're laughing at something but we downvote it, it's because of the meme of the week stuff. So we want to make sure only the highest quality memes make it into meme of the week. And we have a quality standard that we want to meet. And if it's downvoted, it just doesn't make sense to make it the meme of the week, if that's all. Okay. How it feels when you're first learning Git. Don't push. Pool only. Who thought this was a good idea? Like, yeah, you're gonna read the 2 things that are boxed in. This is like graphic design 101. If you wanted to have 2 shapes here, you would do the blue one on the top and the red one on the bottom. That would have been a smarter thing to do. I have a feeling that that's actually what was done here, because suspiciously the text is a little too clean. I think somebody's trying to fool us with this. I don't think this is a real picture.
I think someone lied on the internet.
I'm pretty sure somebody lied. They said no lie here, but I don't believe them. I think they lied to us. That's a downvote. Oh, it's Cat Maddox again. Her Twitter is Katarl Shift I. I'm not a good programmer, but I can very proudly say that I've never used any debugger. I am not a good driver, but I can very proudly say that I have never used the brakes. Yeah, right? Like, you got it, Cat Maddox. Just tell this person, like, how stupid could you be? It's not about the things that you don't do. This is like, what is this? Like Paint Olympics, and whoever does the stupidest things wins the prize. Because, like, this thing's got a freaking upvote, 155 upvotes on it. And that's just dumb. Okay. And then this thing, it's got some animu. And these are Chinese cartoons. They're pretty cool. Do you have fun programming? I don't know. It's complicated. Do you know what their emotions are? Can you read animu emotion? I wish I could understand these things. I can't understand it. It's a hard downvote. Okay, and then you got David Bissett, who's got the weirdest profile photo. I mean, if you really take a look at this profile photo, it's like half of a moon or something. I don't know. Anyways, David Bissett, developer. There's no way we need to write documentation for this. And then a user, and the guy's taking a golf club and is going to smack a bowling ball down the alley. Dude, if you pull that crap at a bowling alley, those people are deadly serious about those lanes. They will freak out on you, man. You should see what happens if you wear like anything but the shoes that they provide. They freak out on you. But that's besides the point. There's no way they're letting you with a golf club on this place in your normal shoes. I feel like this is awesome in Photoshopped. US East 1 doesn't allow me to suck by Mick Austin 1. OC original content right here. This is originally from the Twitter, Jeff Belknap at Jeff. Is that Geoff or Jeff?
I think that's Jeff.
Why didn't he just use a J and no O? I'm going to just maybe think it's Geoff from Geoff Belknap. I can't vacuum because US East 1 is down. That's pretty good. I feel like every so often Amazon like takes a big poop and like cars are smashing into each other on the highway, planes are falling out of the sky. But I mean, the micro part of it is even more funny, just to think of like all the little things in your life. Like your toothbrush doesn't work, like your sink is just like automatically set to the hottest setting possible, like your shower just turns on and sludge is coming out, like your toilet like smashes your wiener. I think just for like the amount of funny stuff, Mick Austin, you've done it. You've won Meme of the Week, baby. So come on over to our Discord, talk to Rob. He's gonna hook you up with a free t-shirt. Show all those beautiful t-shirts that he can pick from. And congratulations, man, because like this is a big deal. This is a big deal. You put this on your resume someday.
Do we give Jeff Belknap a shirt?
No. I mean, we could offer him a shirt. Does he get a shirt? You guys let us know in the comments if you think Geoff Belknap deserves a shirt. And if he does, we'll reach out to him and smack him one. Well, now we got to do the little thing. Whoa, I forget where the other button is. There you go. Now everybody knows. You can tell your friends, show your mom, your dad, whoever's around, your uncle, your aunt, your grandma. You can show if your girlfriend or your boyfriend or whatever it is that you're into. This is something to tell people, though. This is like a big deal. That was a good one. I mean, what other things wouldn't work if US East were done? My coffee is just like infinitely cold and not actually made. It's just water. My shirts don't fit anymore. Well, that's for a different reason. That's because I eat too much. Well, thanks for watching another episode of Last Week in Programming Memes Review, New Title Edition. If you like this kind of content, now is a perfect time for you to hit that subscribe button so you can see when we get new episodes out, and like and comment because it lets us know that you guys actually like the stuff that we're making. And as always, if you guys want to be involved and kind of maybe get your meme featured as Meme of the Week, win a free t-shirt, head on over to our Technonaut submissions and send us a thing, and we'll review it. If it's we go through all of them, but we leave some of them out, but we're going to try to get better about that. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. I think that's pretty much everything we got. Is that pretty much everything?